Hello, everybody. Okay, look. Okay, let's. Hi. This is fine. If you know how to use Boyan, can you use it on laser? It's not very swishy. It's very pokey. It's more like a fluffy slime without being cream. Get right onto it. So the first thing you're gonna need is a bottle of glue. Glue, put the glue in. You're gonna go pour all the glue in. Done. So you're gonna put 1 cup of glue with a teaspoon of baking soda. You're gonna mix it all up, and then you're gonna, till it dissolves, pour it into your slime and stir it up, and it will form through this slime. And sometimes it doesn't work, so you have to be very careful. The first time I did it, it worked. Okay, so it was just, it's more like a flabbery type, but with this in a, but oh, I can use a rolling pin, a rolling pin, a rolling pin. Sorry, I've not been recording for a while, but I have. Not that long ago. I don't know how long, about a couple of weeks ago. Or about a week ago. I'm not sure. I want to have my music on. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this slimy video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.